Open.
Candy on the floor.
What are you looking for? What's inside? What's in there?
Presents.
Presents? Well, what are you trying to do? You trying to open up the package?
Yeah.
Boy, you're freakishly strong. Auntie Missy would be so proud of you.
Help.
You need some help?
What do you need help with?
I can't do it.
You need some more help? Okay, hold on. No, that didn't work. You want Daddy help?
Ugh. Ow! Ouch! 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 Hurts.
There you go.
Thanks. I can't open the other.
Hey, wait, stop! How do you know it's for you? How do you know it's for you? Who does it say it's to?
For Mikayla Hoover.
It does not say Mikayla Hoover.
What's the first letter?
It says, what letters here?
A.
Yeah, so whose name starts with an A?
Alexi!
That's right, that's not for you.
Here's Alexis.
Oh, who's it from? Uncle Duane and Auntie Missy.
And let's say this one. Mikayla Hoover.
Does it say Mikayla Hoover?
Yes! I'm gonna do Cinderella!
A Cinderella? That's beautiful. What did Alexis get over here? Ooh, a
What's
car.
this one?
Let's see. I don't know. Whose name is on there?
I don't know.
Well, you gotta turn it over. Whose name does it start with?
M.
Yeah, it says Mikayla and Alexis. That's for both you and Alexis. You guys have to share it.
It's a book!
Ooh.
It's a new book.
That's beautiful.
I love this book.
What'd you say?
I love this book.
You love that book?
And what is this one for?
Read the tag.
I don't know.
Whose name starts?
Mikayla Hoover.
Is that what you think, Mikayla Hoover?
Does it say Mikayla Hoover?
It says Mikayla.
Okay, open it up.
It is!
Wow.
And what is...
Hey, whoa,
Wait,
slow
hey,
down.
who is this?
Slow your roll.
What? Let me see. Give me the book. Pass me the book that came with it. What is that? What does it say? Look at you. Got
Oh,
keys.
wow, Alexis.
And... phone?
That's pretty.
Mhm.